Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, with a slew of exciting features and improvements, these devices are set to revolutionize the smartphone market. According to ICE Universe, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come with a 4400 mAh battery and support for 25W wired charging. According to him, this information may be considered final, so no further changes are expected during the development stage, though is not confirmed yet. It's interesting to note that the previous model had the same battery capacity and charging capabilities, which were well received by consumers. But that's not all. Rumors suggest that Samsung is also planning to release a budget-friendly version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 later this year. It remains to be seen if this information pertains to the standard foldable model or the anticipated affordable variant. As for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 itself, rumors abound. It is said to feature a sizable 7.6-inch screen when unfolded, along with a smaller cover screen measuring around 6.2 inches. The device might be equipped with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a stunning 200MP main camera on the rear. And what about style? Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might be offered in dark blue, light pink, and silver, giving users plenty of options to suit their personal preferences. According to industry insiders, Samsung is expected to hold its Galaxy Unpacked event in mid-July, possibly in Paris, where the company could unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its sibling, the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Additionally, Samsung might surprise us with other exciting products like the Galaxy Ring, Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Watch 7 series, Galaxy Tab S10 series, and even a Galaxy XR headset. Samsung is expected to announce the official launch date in the coming weeks, so we keep our hands crossed for more updates on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.